day, Sir Padang. My name is Risa Pakis Isa. I'm Filipino. I'm 25 years old. I'm a Catholic. I have 3 children. My husband working as a farmer. I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers. I'm the third in the family.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Riza. How are you today?
Sir, Madam, I'm fine, thank you.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, Madam, the right attitude of a good domestic helper must be honest, responsible, hardworking, and patient.
How will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, Madam, I will keep myself busy and focus to my work.
Okay, so can you tell us how to take care of the children?
Sir, Madam, I will treat them as my own children, give them proper food and vitamins.
So what if you commit mistakes? What to do?
Sir, Madam, I will tell them sorry and I will not do it again.
What is your last message to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me. I need a job for my family and I will promise that I will finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Riza, and good luck.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.